Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is again formal letter writing, and we are actually on the uh, fourth letter. Question is respond to the following advertisement. You have to respond, means you have seen the advertisement and now you are going to respond to it. Respond to it means you are writing the letter related to that advertisement. Okay, considering yourself fulfilling the condition specified. Now actually, what is the advertisement about? Advertisement is all about the vacancy, some vacant place in this means for the job, and you feel yourself fulfilling the condition specified. Whatever the conditions are given, you are actually the personality for it, you feel like that, and that's why you are writing the letter to them. You will see that some important points are here. Application for the post of a receptionist, date is given. Okay, then sender's address, and then the receiver's address. You will find the date at the top. Sometimes this also happens. Then the salutation and the subject. What is written at the subject? Application for the post of receptionist. Application for the post of receptionist. Okay. Now, reference also shown here, that your advertisement in the Daily News dated 15th August 2020. On that day, your advertisement was published in the Daily News. This is the reference. Okay. For that advertisement, you are writing this application. Now, I hereby apply for the post of receptionist, vacant. Vacant means empty. In your esteem means respectable concern. In your esteem concern means under your respectable concern or under your head. I have the necessary qualification. My particulars are as below. All the particulars are given here, which is having name, father name, address, residential address, then the qualification. What is the qualification? Qualification means is the degree that you are having. What is your educational qualification? Then what is the technical qualification? If you are having some skill, how much experience you have, how many years experience you have, and which company. Then your age, gender means are you a male or female. Then what languages are known to use. In some of the positions, especially the receptionist position, languages, more knowledge of languages is very helpful. Then joining time, you can join immediately. And what is the reference? What could be the reference? Who can take your guarantee? And then you are writing that if appointed, I assure you, sir, that I will work to your entire satisfaction. Okay? Then thank you, yours faithfully, and ABC. Okay? That's the end of the letter. Hope you will be writing about your own self for the job of receptionist. You can imagine your qualification or technical qualification, like your computer skills or whatsoever, and write it down there, and send me the pic of your work. Okay? Allah Hafiz.